Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to apply basic formatting to a cell in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that I have this cell here, and I will first of all write something in this cell. So I will write in this hello, and in the next cell I will write world. Okay, so here you can see that we have these two cells here, and to apply some basic formatting on multiple cells, you can just basically have to select these two cells here, and while selecting the cells here, make sure that you are into this home tab here, and here you can basically apply some basic formatting to these cells here. So first of all, let's suppose that if you want to change the font of these text, so you can basically change the font from here. Here you can see that we are now changing the font here. So let's suppose that if you basically need this font, so just tap on this font and now the font has been changed. If you want to make it bold, just click on this B italic. If you wanted to draw the line beneath it, just do this as well. If you wanted to increase the size of the font, you can basically choose this values from the drop down menu. And if you wanted to basically highlight, or you wanted to add the background color to these cells here, just tap on this one and you can see that we are now adding the background colors here basically. And if you wanted to change the color of text here, you can change it from here as well, like this one, or I will use red here, or maybe this. Okay, and if you want to set the alignment here, basically do this. If you want to set into the center, do this, or to the basically left here, right here, center, you can always do this as well. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.